Right. So we learn how to convert string to uppercase letter, lowercase letter, title case letter, capitalize and swap case. Along with that, we have tested all the content of string is space, or all the content of string is uppercase letter or lowercase letter using is upper, is lower, is space. Such methods we have used. Other than that methods, we have some more methods. So in today's class, we will learn those methods. First one, lstrip function. This is the additional function. We are going to continue yesterday's class. This one is the 14th method. Let us know what does this do. Lstrip is a method which is used to remove white spaces at left hand side. Remove white spaces. What are the unnecessary spaces? Left side it has, that everything is going to be removed by lstrip. Similarly, we have another method which is rstrip. This method is to remove white spaces at right hand side. Remove white spaces. So let us check one example. I am going to take one variable which is x. What I am doing while assigning, I have given some length of empty space, followed by I am writing Hyderabad. Next, followed to this string, I have given some space. Again, I have given some empty space. Now, when I print the lstrip message, when I print x dot lstrip, when you write like this, what happens? Left side white space is removed and the word will be print, and right side string as it is available. I can see output like this, Hyderabad, and followed by this space as it is available. Again, which won't modify the original string. Next, when I write a print x dot rstrip, then what happens? Which will remove the space, white space at right hand side, but left side string as it is available. So left side white space is available. Next, Hyderabad will be printed. Next, this right side string is removed. Hyderabad is printed. Next, right side string is removed. But I don't want to remove only left and right side. I want to remove both sides. To remove both sides, again we have a method which is the strip method. This strip method remove white spaces both sides. White spaces both sides. Okay, let us check whether it working on strings or not. So here I have given one x string and I am assigning string with the white spaces followed by Hyderabad I have given and empty spaces I have given. Okay. Now when I print x, then message has printed like this. Okay, otherwise directly I will write x. You can understand by seeing this single quote. Now what I am doing, x dot lstrip. When I write like this, so left side empty spaces are removed, but right side as it is available. When I write rstrip, what happens? Right side string is removed, left side space is as it is available. Next one, when I check x dot strip, then both side string is empty space is removed. The string is enclosed inside the single quote. Okay, like that, we can work with string strip operation. Is this clear? Right. So next one, next method. These all are for removing the white spaces at left and right side. Next thing, 17th one. So I have a large string. From that, I want to know how many times given character or string is repeating. I will tell you. So here, I am using count method. This count method is to return how many times given string is repeating. How many times given string is repeating. That can be done by using count method. Let us check one example. I have X variable and what I am writing, I am student, comma, I am living in Hyderabad. Okay. So this is the string I have given. Now I want to know how many times am is repeating. Okay. So to count that, as of now, I have very small string. I can, by seeing this string, I can tell how many times it is present. But when your string is large string, okay, one large paragraph you have, from that you want to know how many times it is repeating. Then what we do, we have to use the count method. So the syntax of this count is, we will write the string object dot count followed by, you have to give the string input. Okay, it will count how many times the given string is repeating. So here string object is nothing but this X variable dot count, and which one I want to test? I am. How many times I am is repeating, that I want to test. Tell me how many times it is present, which content 2 times. Then I can see its output as 2. Here you have to raise one question. Sir, what if the search string does not present in the main string? So again, I am going to write X dot count, and I am going to write what is that student. Here I am writing Varangal. Okay. So is this Varangal string present in this string? No, it is not available. Then what happens? It will convey you that the string is repeating 0 number of times. 0 nothing but which is not present. Okay, let us check this one. So here I am clearing this one. So X is a string. Next I am a student, comma, I am living in Hyderabad. Like that, I have prepared one string. X dot count, and I am going to test am. Can you see it is repeating twice? Yes. Next, X dot count. Next, which one I want to count if the string does not present. So here, Varangal, I am giving input, and when I check this one, it has written 0. It won't give any kind of error. Warangal, I have given spell mistake. Right. How many times letter is repeating? Yes, you can write letter also. You can, Mr. 448, could you check this one? I want to check only one letter. A is available. I want to check only one A alphabet. So here, how many times it is present? 5 times it is present. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. So total 5 times it is available and it has given. Right. Now, so I hope it is clear to you. Next method. So count is available. Next one. So I know how many times this count conveys that how many times that given string is present. But what is my job? I want to know in which place that string is present. So here to do that one, we have find method. Which method? We have find method. This find method return in which index that given string is present. So here you have to observe one thing carefully. So the same string I am taking it here. So the same string I am going to use, and using find method, I want to know in which index AM is present. So what can I do? String object I need to write. This string object is nothing but this X dot find, and followed by which one you need to find, that string you need to give. So here, what does it do? This find method will start off scanning from left hand side and will go towards the right hand side. Okay. Once this string is encounters, immediately it will print at what index it is present. So here, X is the string object. X is the string object, dot find is the method, and I am going to find where am is present. So am is present. So what it does, it will start from left hand side. 0th index, it is not matched. 1 index space is available. At 2 index, this am is find. So I can see only 2. Okay, 2nd index, it is present. Now we will check. Next, immediately you should write one question. So here, I am going to clear this one. And print X I have written, and X dot find is the method, and I am going to search am. So in which index it is present? It is not count. It is word where in which index it is present. It is clear. Now I am going to write X dot find one more time. Okay. So instead of am, I am writing another word. This is which is repeat. Okay. I am writing one more time. Again, which index it is returning? First index only it is returning. But are you expecting to know what is the starting position of your string? No. Am is present twice, and I want to know where second occurrence is available. So then what can I do? We have to add one more argument to find method. So let us see how can I give. So find has given 2, which means it returns first occurrence character, occurrence string. But always I don't want to know what is the first occurrence. I want to know in which position the second time am is available. So to find that one, we have to add one more argument to find method. That is find, and along with the string, I want to give from what index you need to search. Okay, from index you need to search. So here, previously this am is present at the second index. I want to know where another time is am is repeating. Tell me from which location you will start off search? From which location you will start search? Second index. So what happens when I start it from second index? I will start off searching from the second index. That string also mapped at the second index. Again, what happened? Again, that first occurrence only return. So you have to give this one. This index must be the previous occurrence character index plus 1. So I have to give 3. When I give 3, it will start off scanning your string from the third index. So here, let us check how it works. So I am going to give x dot find, and IAM is the string. I want to search it from 3. Okay, I will tell you what happens when I give 2. So x is the string, and I want to find where am is present. From third index, I need to start search. So where the second occurrence, second time am is present, 18th index it is present. Are you clear? So here x dot find am I am giving 2. Which position it has written? Current position only it has written, because it start off scanning from the same word itself. So I hope it is clear to you how to search for next occurrence. See here, I want to know if any other time, if another time am is repeating. Okay, so tell me which index I need to give. For example, third time also am is present. Tell me what is the second argument I should give? 17 or 18? 17 or 18? Which number I need to give? Is 5H5, 5R8. Okay. So here am is the string. I don't want to search from 17 and 18. I want to search it from 19. But I don't know whether it is present or not. So here it will return -1. When find method return -1, which conveys that that string is present. What is that? It is not present. So -1 indicates string does not exist. Okay. So here, very good question. 5K1 you have asked, negative index can we give? No, it is not possible. Let us check what happens. Find am -4 I have given. So what it written? Okay. Negative index -4, which is testing from 1, 2, 3, 4. It's -4. From this -4 to this one, is it available? It is not available. Now I want to give the maximum number. X dot find am -30 I have given. So in which index it is written? When I give -30, which index it is giving? Positive index only it is giving. Is it clear? When we get negative index, Mr. 5K1. When we get negative index, we never get negative index. You can supply negative index. How many types of indexing we have? Positive indexing is there, negative indexing is there. But result must be which type? Positive index only. Is that clear? Okay. Next one. Sir, I don't want to check from given position to remaining entire string. I want to know whether the required string is in between the given indexes. Okay. So here, when I give this 3 or 4, it has taken from this position, and it will check remaining all part of your string. But I don't want to check this entire string. I want to know whether my required string lies between only within this area. Okay. So if it is available, I want to know that one. If it is not available, I want to get result as -1. Okay. Understand this one. So how can I check this one? So for that, you have to go for another string function, that is find method only. And I am giving the first argument as string. You have to give from index, comma, you have to give end index. Okay, your string is going to be check only within this area. Okay, so it never check out of this bound and before out of this bound. So let us check x dot find am is one method, am is one string. I want to check in between 3 comma 18. Previously it has matched. Now I want to check in between 3 comma 17. May I know it is present in between? It is not present. Tell me what it written when it does not exist? -1 will return. Okay, I am going to test this one. So whether it works or not. So X is the string and I am going to find am word. So previously it has matched at second comma 18 index. So I am going to test this one in between 3 comma 17. It is not present. So I got -1. Am is present in the string, but in between 3 comma 17, it is not present. Okay, so like this, you need to perform string operation related to the find. Okay, next one. Next method. 19th method. So this is for what is that? Starts with. And we have another method, 20th one. This is ends with. What does it do? It is going to test whether the given string is starting with the given character or given string. And it is also check whether it is ending with the given word or not. Okay, so let us check how it will work. So here I have given a string x equal to Warangal. X equal to Warangal I have given. And I want to test is this x starts with W or not. So here, when this given word starts with W, which will return, these both will return Boolean values, either true or false. So may I know whether this given X is starting with W or not? Yes, so that I will get it has true. Not only one character, you can write multiple characters also. Next, X dot ends with, and I am going to test, is it ending with AL or not? Is it ending with AL or not? Yes. So I will get result as true. Okay. Now I want to know one message. I have given, I will give one student name and we have to test whether that guy name is starting with any word, specific word or not. Otherwise, I want to know whether that student is Reddy's category or not. Then how can I check if the student name ends with Reddy? I will say he is belonging to OC category. And if it is not belonging to, if his name does not end with Reddy, then I want to convey one message as he is non-Reddy's category. Like that, I want to test. This is one simple thing. So in future, we are going to we are going to find such kind of names. So here I am asking name of the student. So I will take name by using input method. Next, I want to test this one using ternary operator. Okay. So I want to know whether this person is OC category or not. I am going to test this one using Reddy, whether it is ending with Reddy or not. So here name is the string, and I want to test whether it is ends with. Okay, and which one I am testing? Reddy I want to test. Okay, and while writing this R should be the greater than. And I am want to write ternary operator. So if I am writing, else I am writing. Okay, so if student name ends with Reddy, what is the thing I need to write at left hand side? Whether he is OC guy or non-OC guy. What I have to write at he is OC. So open category guy I will write. What if his name not belonging to Reddy? Non-OC I am printing. Okay, next I want to test X. Okay, so when I print X, okay, so you will get the result depending on the name you have given. Okay, so let us check this one and whether it is working or not. So name I am taking, so which is in, and I am going to test category. So here he is OC. If name dot ends with Reddy, else non-OC I will write. Next, I am going to print category. Okay, and when I run this one, so it is asking me name. I did not write proper prompt at here. If you write proper prompt, it will return. It will print the message properly. So I am giving some Raja Reddy. So is this name ending with Reddy or not? Yes, true. So what is the output I get? What is the output I get when I hit enter? Yes. Ends with. Why it is printed non-OC? Let me know. Why it was printed non-OC? Because I am testing capital REDDY. No, capital REDDY I have written. Which Reddy I have given? Lowercase. So I am going to test this one. So Raja, next REDDY. Tell me what it written. Now it will return OC. So is this clear how it is working? So this is the way we have to test ends with and starts with. So it is also case sensitive. Definitely, if the word is matched, then it will execute. And I want to test lowercase and uppercase. May I know how I am going to write? So another thing I will write, that is name dot ends with lowercase Reddy also I have given. Tell me, how can I join these two Boolean expression? What is the suitable operator I should write? No, I won't write and, I will write or. At a time, name cannot be end with lowercase Reddy or uppercase Reddy. So either left side or right side. I want to run this program. So here, now I am taking Ramesh Reddy. So when I hit enter, OC, and again I am testing another thing. So with capital letter, just Raja Reddy, so which is also OC. Did you understand? Why did I included this one? To avoid the essence to. So we are going to use these kind of problems in coming class once you know iterative statements. I will give some list of student name and I will give some examples like this. We need to predict whether he is OC guy or non-OC guy, like that. We will prepare. Next one. So starts with and ends with is completed, 20 completed. Next one, we will go for another thing, that is replace. 21, replace. This replace is used to replace the word with a word. So how does it work? So for example, I have a string like this. For example, you have written one assignment where your friend name multiple times it is available, and you want to resubmit that one with your name. Then what will you do? Just you have to take a copy and you have to apply the rename operation on your friend's note. Then it will become your notes. So generally you do these things while submitting assignments to your faculty. Now how you have to do this one easily, I will tell you. So X is one document. So here which contains I am learning, for example, Java. Java is good subject. I have written like this. Now, immediately I want to change Java to Python. Then what can I do? So here 2 times it is available, I can replace. But 1 lakh times it is present in your document. Then will you replace 1 lakh time? No, I will do replace operation. Next, I want to do this one. Then what can I do? X dot. The syntax I am going to write it here. Replace is the method, and I will give which string need to be replaced, that is old, and for which string you need to be replaced, that new word you need to write. Okay, X object, string object. X dot replace is a method, and followed by old Java I want to be replaced with which word? Python I want to be add. Okay, so let us check whether it is working or not. And if it does not work, what is the problem is available, you can understand. X equal to I am learning Java, and Java is important course that I have prepared. Now, what is my job? I want to replace Java with Python. X dot replace Java with Python. Then what happens? Is it modified or not? Very simple thing, it is modified. Now you have to raise question. Sir, what about the original string? Is this original copy modifies? It never modified. So is it as it is available or not? Or while working with the string operation, it never modifies the original string. Okay, it modifies the content and you can work on this, but original document is as it is available. So this is the way you have to use the replace method. And next one, can we replace number instead of string also? Yes, you can do anything. Which one you need to be modified? That you need to modify. That's it. I did not understand. Can we replace number instead of string? Means is it under string? So if it is 1, 2, 3, for example, I will tell you X equal to my name is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. My friend name is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is living in Hyderabad. So now what can I do? I want to replace 1, 2, 3, 4 with. Okay. So X dot replace, and which one I want to be replaced? 1, 2, 3, 4 with ABC. Next, when I run this one, what happens? 1, 2, 3, 4 is replaced with ABC. So there is a two things. Number also you can modify. If anything present in double quotes, even numeric characters, which acts like a string. Okay. What we have to do to print a replace string? Very simple. So here, x equal to ABC, DEF, ABC, DEF. Okay, this is the string. I want to print x dot replace A with Z. Okay, you have to use only print method only. So A has replaced with Z. IK1, very good. Next one, replace is clear. And another method we have to learn, that is split operation. 22, split method. What does this split do? Split is a method which is to divide each character and return it like a list. Actually, we don't know what are list as of now, but you just understand how list will be print. So X is a string and I have given Hyderabad like this. Okay, this is entire one string. When you apply split operation, okay, so I will tell you different method. When you do split operation, it is going to split the string into the pieces. And each piece will be written as a, what is that? List element. So while writing the split operation, you have to supply a character or a word or a string. So with which word you want to be replaced, divide. So before that, I want to show you one thing. You observe here carefully. X equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Like that, I have given one string. X dot split I have given. What happens? Every word, entire word, it has divided, and you can see this one as a listed. But what happened? Every word is divided. It is not divided. Entire thing has taken as a one word, because I did not give what is the character I need to take, split that one. Okay. Now you understand. You observe that it has written like a list format. Entire this word which I have given has taken like a, as it is that element. Now to see how I am going to do this split operation. Along with the split, you need to give another argument which is a string or a character. Based on this one, your string is divided. So I am going to write one simple example. So x equal to I am living in file EW. Please close your video. I am living in Hyderabad. So this is the word I have given. Next, I want to split this one into individual word. Then which one I need to take as a split string? I am going to divide this one based on the space. Okay, so how can I do x dot split? And I need to give space as a input to this split method. When you do like this, what happens? Definitely it will generate the list, and it will scan the input from left to right side until your string is completed. So once a space is encountered, it immediately stop off reading the character and it will return like a one object. Space is encountered. This is removed. Next, it will start off reading the next input. Here use space is available. It is removed and AM is written. Next, comma. Next, leaving is a word will be printed. Next space is encountered, then it is removed. Next you can see invert. Next this space is removed. Next Hyderabad will be printed. So this is the way your given entire string will be divided into multiple words and will return this everything like a list format. So here x equal to I am living in Hyderabad. So x dot split and I am giving space as a input to split. So is it returning like a string or not? Collection of words and everything is enclosed inside the square bracket. When something is in square bracket, it act like a list. Okay. So we will learn this concept in the coming class. And I want to show whether it is list or not. L equal to x dot split I am writing the space separator, which everything will be copies to L variable. And I want to know what is L. So is it written like a list or not? Already I said how type will be work. The type has written list. So now what it has written will be the list thing. Next word. So when you have ability to divide a entire string into a words using some separator, you have another functionality that you can combine list of elements as a single unit. How can I combine? By using join method. Okay. So always you never split. Along with that, you do combine operation also. That one is the join method. What does the join method do? It will collect a list of elements as a input and combine with the given string or word. So now I want to combine. So here this is the same string I am giving and I want to combine everything using the symbol. Okay. So here I will write the syntax how it will be used. So here separator I will give in the string format dot join followed by list of element string element you need to give. So let us check how I am going to do. So this entire string, this all collection of strings need to be joined with @ So how can I join? So let us check this one. So initially I need to write the separator. So separator is @ and dot join is the method. And these all words I am giving as a input to my join. So I am, I, comma, am, comma, leaving, comma, in, comma, Hyderabad. So this entire thing I am giving like a list, then everything will be joined using @ I will get I @ am @ leaving @ in @ Hyderabad. This is the output you will get when I work with this join operator. So here I am going to execute this one. So clear. So already @ is the symbol. Next dot join. And I want to give this data like a list format. Just you have seen I, comma, am, comma, leaving, comma, in, comma, Hyderabad. So this is the way I have given input. And when I click on enter, everything joining using the @. Tell me how can I join using the space? Space dot join and I want to give this entire thing as a input to this space join. Next, when I hit enter, so I got the previous result. So is this clear? Yes. Join also clear. Next one, replace start with split lower join. Is this all for? Okay. Next one. So here, I have forgotten to tell you one method at time of find. So here you search this find from right hand side to the left hand side. But I don't want to search this one from right hand side to left hand. Sorry, left to right, it has search when you do find operation. So we have another method. This is R find method. So R find. So this R find method is to search the string from the right hand side to the left hand side. Okay. So we'll see this one already we have seen. So R find is nothing but reverse find. It's equal to I am living in Hyderabad, I am a student. So this is one x dot find. When I check am, it has given first occurrence. X dot R find. When you give am, it will give last occurrence. Did you understand the difference? Did you understand the difference? Very simple thing. Right. So, right. So, what are the concepts we learned till now? These all are the string methods. So, today we are going to complete our class 10 minutes before because do not have methods. So, we will start the new class from the tomorrow, new topic from tomorrow. I hope it is clear to you how to work with the strings. Is this clear? Yes. So 5K1, thank you for responding. Right. We'll join in the next class tomorrow. So I will share notes 5K5. Already I have shared some material to you, which I have written with my handwriting. I am preparing the document. Once the document is completed, I will share that PDF notes. But as of now, you have received what I am writing on screen. Did you get that one? Only strings you did not get. Remaining 3 documents I have shared. Sir, can you show that all? Yes, sir, but we can pick that notes. Okay, ma, I will share the document. I'm preparing that one. And one more thing, I will give you my GitHub account. You can access from that location. Okay. So here I am typing my ID. Please take a bookmark of that one. You just type my name. So here, 1 minute. So this is my GitHub account. So I'm dropping this one. So did you receive this? You have all the materials from this location. So here, Python features, ideally how to install these softwares, Python fundamental character set identifiers, keywords, variable data type, typecasting, Python literals, Python operators completed, number conversion, immutable nature. I will tell you later. For today's class, I said the strings concept. So can you see this one? When you click on this one, so it will navigate to the respective document. Yes, can you see this one? Strings, and this is the data, everything it is available. Can you see? Yes. Okay, thank you, Teja. And thank you, guys. So we'll meet again in tomorrow's class with the new concept. Okay, control structure. Control structures. We will learn from the next class. Thank you, Teja. Thank you for a good comment from your end. Right. We'll meet you tomorrow, guys. You can leave from this class. Thank you, Ma Rama Chaudhary.